Welcome back. The Memphis Urban League is inviting local businesses, nonprofits, and health-focused organizations to participate in a community health fair next month. Here to talk more about the event and how you can get involved is Gail Jones-Carlson, the president and CEO of the Memphis Urban League. She's joined by Chandalyn Richardson, the chair of the Health Fair Committee. Ladies, welcome. Glad to see you both. How you doing?
Thank you for having us here.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Gail, let's start with you. The Urban League, so much work to be done in the Memphis community. What do you see the mission being right now?
So right now, a lot of what we do is we train, we educate, we prepare people for the workforce, we prepare them for life. And my belief is that when you teach a person how to fish, when you give a person a fish, that person eats for a day. You teach them, then that person learns to feed themselves and their families for a lifetime. So that's what we do at the Memphis Urban League. So a lot of the training that we do, we will pay them as they earn. So right now, one of the programs we have is a job construction program. It's a pre-apprenticeship program. When people complete that 4-week program, they are allowed, they then can hopefully pass their apprenticeship test, and we've been very successful with that. We just finished a summer youth program that we were very proud of having. This is the second year. Last year was sponsored by Mayor Lee Harris. We appreciate him greatly for that.
So you've had a lot going on. So a lot of people may be wondering, Chandalyn, where does the health fair, how does that fit into the Memphis Urban League's mission?
It's just an extension of the great services that they're already providing to the community. I am a medical case manager by trade, and I've worked in HIV field for over 13 years now. So when I came to Ms. Carson, I told her that I've previously done work in the community organizing health fairs, and that I felt like it was important to continue to do so. We just have so much health inequity in the community.
Right.
And that is one of the focuses of the National Urban League and urban leagues across the country, healthcare, focusing on that. And so with Chandalyn wanting to volunteer her services and others who are working with us, we are able to provide some services to people in our community, much needed services.
I have to ask you quickly, who should come to this health fair?
Anybody. It's open to anybody. It's open to anybody. It's going to be at First Baptist Broad on Broad, and anybody can come. It is open to the public. There will be all kind of testing done, and you can give us an example of some of the testing.
So I have confirmed that Friends for All will be providing HIV as well as STI testing, and that will be free to the community. We will have childhood immunizations available as well, and that will be conducted by Shot RX at no cost, and the parents will also be able to receive the immunization record so they can provide that to the children. The health fair is going to be August the 23rd. Although that is after the start of school, we know that on average about 94% of people in Shelby County get their children immunized on time. So,
and a lot of them don't go to school after Labor Day.
Don't.
So again, the health fair is next month, and everybody's invited?
Yeah, but it's also a jobs fair as well. We will have professionals there working, talking about jobs, providing jobs in the healthcare industry.
All right. Ladies, thank you very much for being here. We do appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you for having us,
Anytime,
Alex.
Gail. Chandalyn, good to see you too. Jake.